first, is it fine? Yeah. First of all, thank you for attending this presentation. And let's see. Well, this is the part of entrepreneurship of the project, which is crucial, as we know already, because in the end we are doing this research and now we just need to translate it into the market. Well, the mission. We already talked about it. Everyone knows about vancomycin. One more time. We need vancomycin as a last resort antibiotic. It's quite important to measure it properly, because if not, the disadvantages take over the advantages of using this treatment. Sorry. Why we need a business plan? Well, first, we have the concept, but we need to adapt it to the regulations we have. We need to take into account what is the doses we needed, how hospitals works, how doctors need it. We also need to see who is going to be our lenders, who is going to provide us with the equipment we need, with the different resources we will use, and also who is willing to invest in this idea, who is actually going to support it, and in case we wanted to do this startup that we've been talking about during the test, who would be interested in this? Well, it is why we need this vision sensor. First, we need a simple solution, but that is cost-effective, but also fast. As we have been hearing before, the problem with vancomycin is that once the dosage is applied, we need over 24 hours to know the results. So the doctors, in the end, fail to give the proper amount of doses and to treat the patient in the end. So this is my major idea of why we need this sort of device. Who wins with this? Well, of course, the patient, and this is the main reason. The patient wins, the hospital wins, and of course the doctors as well. The doctors and every person, everyone who's taking care of the patient treatment. What problems are they having? Well, they are having this bad treatment, since they need to guess what will be the future concentration or the doses they are applying, how it will affect the patient. They are guessing right now. And so with our device, we plan to provide them a solution for this. We are going to do a simple solution, a friendly solution, like easily for interpretation for the lab researcher or the doctor himself. How we have been working in our sensor? Well, we are working in the FVTH. We are the AIXSense team, and we got the university resources. We got support from our supervisor. We also got some sponsoring. We talked to the company that provided us with the equipment for the measuring in our first approach, which is impedance spectroscopy. That company is SensUs, and they are also very interested in how we are applying this technology for these purposes. And yeah, sorry. Well, the idea we have done is a simple device that is actually very cheap. We want it to be single one-time use, so the device goes into the PCB. The sample is provided to the device, and then you just throw it out and use a new one for a new patient and a new measurement. How this can be integrated then with the equipment needed for the measuring, that would be the idea of making a complete integrated device, which provides in the lab directly the concentration of the antibiotic. So this is the idea. Right now, we've developed the prototype of the sensor, and just now, prototype production mechanism, it's under €5. The idea would be to do it mass scale, mass production, and to reduce it under €1. And yeah, please, if you have any questions, because we are problem with time here. Okay. Yeah, in the end, we are talking about a €5,000 treatment, reduce it to, well, what's the cost itself of the vancomycin, and not a problem of the measurement technique. Thank you. question? Yeah.
What do you need to do to bring the cost down to 1 euro?
To bring the cost, the question is how to bring down the costs and down to 1 euro. Well, by in every kind of industry that we have, that you have, if you do 30 devices or 30 sensors, it will be much higher cost than doing thousands of them, because it's just by the size of the wafer, the resource is once you industrialize something, you just reduce the cost just by doing it at large scale, for example. Also, yeah.
One more question? There's time for one more?
Yeah. Thank you.